My name is Somategis. In case you don't know, I'm back with another video, and this is a review, not a review, it's an unboxing, a short video of the Awei A980. Oh, this is the A980BL, then it's the A800BL, right? So if you remember, if you've been here in this channel, we've had the A920 before, and this is supposed to be a little bit of a step up from that one. So we'll start with this one, right? Let's put it here. There is still this this magnet filling here that attaches from the thing, and then hey, damn, okay, it's out. It's the manual, just like the last time, and then we have the charger. I have the charger this side, and then these other things for changing the pads here, the pad size. I think they look almost exactly like the last ones, except for the color. We'll test them out, seeing how they sound. Yeah, I think they are not charged. So the last time we had the same thing as well, where we had to charge the earphones before using them. So I'll charge them in the meanwhile, opening these ones. Okay, let's get on with these. Oh, supposed to go. Okay, a knife is supposed to go that side, not to my face. Okay. Okay, manual as well. I'm thinking shouldn't be that different from that one. These are still also Bluetooth earphones or headphones, and then they have this thing. I think it's an adapter, so that if you run out of juice, you have the thing. And then yes, you have the earphones, right? Okay, I think we should extend. Oh, how to extend this? Okay, damn, I thought they weren't extending. Okay, still not that good looking. Okay, another thing I'm seeing from the build, it's pleasing just to look at the thing, and then it's also touching. The design is good, but I'm worried about this wire. It seems too small. It seems like it's the first thing that would go wrong with these earphones or headphones. Other than that, although these are not your premium whatever, but they have that premium feel to them. Okay, let's test these out, because I don't think they need any charging if we're gonna use the adapter. Okay, so this is a test. Okay, the first impressions right from that session of listening. I'm thinking that usually with these headphones, usually the cheap ones, they will have this sort of strong, grip, or no, not grip. This thing will be so strong that it will literally squeeze your head whenever you put them on. But then these are not that, they are just soft. This part is soft, and then these are soft as well. So I'm not seeing me having this scenario where you get that your ears are suddenly hot from listening with this stuff. Okay, so I'm thinking in a few weeks or whatever, I'm gonna come back with a review of these and we'll see how they performed. right? I'm thinking also, oh, they don't want any charging, eh? So let's test out the Bluetooth functionality. Okay, so they're connected now. Okay, so we cheap people in this country, so we don't pay for our streaming services. I'm listening to an ad now. Okay, it's done. Not bad, eh? The first listen, I'm thinking these are good. So I think the last problem, the problem that I had with my A920s, the thing that was an issue of some sort, was the fact that these things, they can sometimes hurt your ears if they're not your right size. Other than that, I'm thinking you're gonna have some good time with this one. If you want a review of earphones similar to these, check out the A920BLs. Other than that, I'm thinking we're done here. So a review is coming in a short while. Yeah, we out. Philly.